Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn privacy settings for job seekers, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, locate the Me icon in the top right corner. Click on the Me icon to access your profile settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. You will now see several tabs on the left side of the screen. Click on the Visibility tab. In the Visibility section, look for Visibility of your profile and network. Select it to see various options regarding your profile visibility. To make your profile more private, adjust the settings for Who can see your connections. Choose either only you or your connections based on your preference. Next, navigate to the Profile Viewing options. Here, you can select how others see you when you view their profiles. Choose Private Mode for total anonymity when browsing other profiles. Now, return to the Visibility section and find Edit Your Public Profile. Click on this option to see how your profile appears. Toggle Your profile's public visibility switch to Off to limit exposure. If you want certain information to remain visible, you can customize it further. Scroll down to Share Profile Updates with your network. Turn this off to prevent notifications about changes on your profile from being sent to Connect. Next, move to the Job Seeking Preferences section from the left menu. Here, you can toggle the Let Recruiters Know You're Open to Work feature. That allows recruiters to see your job seeking status without notifying your current employer. You can also specify job preferences like location and type of work. Finally, review all the settings to ensure they align with your privacy wishes. Once you are satisfied, log out of your account to complete your session securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.